Now, let's move on to number 1B. Now, we are going to use theorem 1.4.1 to verify the associative law for matrix multiplication. That theorem of, I hope you all took a picture of it. This is the theorem. Now, I think we now need to use C, if I'm not mistaken. Associative. Verify that the following matrices and scalars satisfy the stated properties of theorem 1.4.1. Now B, we have to verify the associative law for matrix multiplication using matrix A, B, C with the constants A and B.
Okay, sorry, Ken.
Yes.
Can you please scroll up to the matrix law for matrix multiplication?
That theorem.
Yeah, is that A times B in brackets times C equals to?
Here is the theorem.
Associative multiplication. Okay. Okay.
Can I go back to the questions?
Yes, thanks.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, so we have to know, okay, like associative law for matrix application.
Afternoon, is it level?
Yes, sir. Afternoon,
How are
sir.
you, level? How are you?
I'm good, sir.
I'm good. Yes, your question?
My question is, are they going to ask us, it's possible to be asked like 1.1, like the way they did on number B and A on the exam?
In the exam? Yes. What do you want? Don't you want them to ask these questions?
I don't want them to ask me the way they did more exercising.
How do you want them to ask you these questions?
I don't know if I understand the question. They want us to prove that A, B bracket multiply by C, and then like the way law of matrix multiplication is. Like the bilingual letters, not the associating law of matrix with words.
Oh, you don't want the question to be written in word format the way it has been written?
Yes.
Yeah. I don't know then how then can I help you? Because if we are saying associative law for matrix addition, you need to know that. Associative law for matrix multiplication, you need to know that. Then how can I help you, level, in that situation?
There's no way. So right, they want us to prove left hand side equals to right hand side.
Where?
B. Letter B.
In B. What are they looking for? Tell me.
Hello, Papa. Papa. Hello. Hello.
Level.
Hello, sir. Sir.
Yes, Papa.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. I heard you calling Papa.
I'm sorry, sir. Hello, sir. I was
Yes,
calling
we can.
someone else.
Yes, we can hear you. How can we help you?
Yeah, I want to know if the question is we have to prove that the left-hand side is close to the right-hand side, or what must I do there?
Of what? Of what? Left-hand side and right-hand side of what?
Okay, sir, lead me to how to answer this question of letter B. Because I'm stuck, I don't know where to start.
This is the theorem that we are using. Which one should we use? Level. Amongst A to M.
We are using letter C. Associate law for matrix application, and also letter C. So I have to say A multiplied by bracket BC only, which is on the left hand side.
We are using number C.
Yes, sir. I'm going to multiply A by BC.
We are using number C. Number C from here. From here, we are using number C.
Okay, so are we doing B and C?
We're doing B. For now, we are doing B. After that, we'll go to C.
Yes.
What did you get, my brother? What did you get, my brother, as an answer?
I got minus 34 for the first entry.
Hang on, Bongani. First of all, what is the size of the matrix?
Oh, it's a 2 by 2 matrix.
2 by 2. Please talk to them about that.
Yeah, yes, it's a 2. So are you in agreement?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we are.
All right. Let's see with the entries.
Yes.
So my entries is minus 34 and then minus 21 for the first row, ne? And then
minus
second row.
34 and minus 21.
Yes.
Okay. Second row.
4 and minus 20.
Please ask them.
Yes, are you in agreement?
Can you repeat row 2?
Come again, Bongan.
Minus 34
Yes.
for row 1.
Yes.
And then minus 21.
Yes.
And then row 2. And then row 2 is gonna be 4 and minus 20.
Disagree.
I disagree.
Your second row.
I
Disagree.
got a different second row.
Me too,
Okay.
as well.
Second row is
Disagree.
On my first row, I got minus 34 and minus 21, but on my
You are-
second row,
Hang on.
I got
Your name, ma'am?
Nomtandas.
Nomtandazo. Okay. What is your final matrix?
It's a 2 by 2 matrix. Then on the first row, I got minus 34 and minus 21. On the second row, I got 52 and 28.
52 and 28.
Yes.
Me too.
Thank you, Nomtandazo. Who else has got the same entries as Nomtandazo?
I did as well.
Tando.
Mike.
Tando, Mike,
Mohammed.
who?
Here.
Mohammed, Tia,
Yes.
Theo,
Marita.
Lerato, Maditaba,
Times 4 is 16.
and who else? Okay. Bongani. Bongani.
Yes. Yes.
They seem to agree with you on the first row, ne?
Yes.
Then they disagree with you
On the
on
second
the
row.
second row.
Yes.
Do you, did they get what we were supposed to get, or are you the one who got what we were looking for?
Hey, because I'm double checking now, but I'm still getting the same results. I was double checking the second row.
I'm not saying what you found is not what we are looking for. And then it doesn't mean that all these people who got these other entries, which are different from yours for the second row, it doesn't mean that we need to accept their figures as they are. That's why I'm double checking with you, whether you agree and then sticking by your figures in the second row or what.
For now I'm still sticking with my figures on the second row. So we can double check together.
Okay, now let's do this. Let's start on the left hand side.
Yes.
We have got B. Let's focus on the left hand side. Ne?
Yes. Yes, I'm with you.
Okay. Let's work out BC together. Ne?
Yes.
BC, that means the first matrix is 0, 2, 1, and minus 4. Do we agree? Is this what you have?
Yes, yes, that's what I have.
Okay. Now matrix C is 4, 1, minus 3, and minus 2. Still with me?
Yes.
Thank you. Now, let's multiply these two matrices. When we multiply these two matrices,
all right, sir. Let's do it. Yes. So
okay,
0 times 4.
0 times 4 is 0 plus 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. Do we agree?
Yes,
minus
I agree.
6. Thank you. Now we are going to the second entry. Is 0 times 1 is 0. 2 times
0, yes.
minus 2 is minus 4.
Minus 4,
are
yes.
You with?
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
We are going to the second row. 1 times 4 is 4.
Yes.
Minus 4 times minus 3 is plus 12.
Yes.
Do we still agree?
Yes, it's 4 and
it's 4 plus
minus,
12.
It's 4. Yeah, 4 plus 12, yes.
Is minus 4 times minus 3 gives us positive 12.
Yes.
Then we have got 1 times 1 is 1. Sorry?
So it's going to be 12 plus 4, ne?
It's going to be 12 plus 4, yes.
And then we get 16, ne?
That's what we'll have. Then we go to the next one. Is 4 negative 4 times negative 2. This is giving us plus 8. Do we agree?
Yes.
Now this matrix is minus 6, minus 4.
Wait for the
and 9.
No, for the last entry we said we were supposed to say 1 times 1 plus negative 4 times negative 2. So we're gonna get 1 plus 8.
8, yes.
Which is 9.
Which is positive 9.
Positive 9, yes.
Yes. Is that what you have?
Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm having. Let's continue.
Now we are by A from the left hand side. Okay.
Yes.
from the left-hand side. Now, this is A is 3, minus 1, 2, and 4. Now, let's multiply and see what we get. Is 3
Yes.
times minus 6 is minus 18. Do we agree?
3 times minus 6, yes. It's
And
minus
then
18.
minus 1, yes, minus 18. Minus 1 times minus 1 times 16 is minus 16. Do we agree?
Yes.
Then
So
3 times 3,
so-
yes.
So for this one, we don't say 6 minus 6 times 3, and then minus 4 times 2. We don't do it like that.
We say,
Yes.
let's start with we take the first row, we run it through the first
Yes.
column. It is 3 times minus
Yes.
6 is minus 18.
Which is minus. Yes.
Bongani, slowly. 3 times minus 6 is minus 18.
Yes. Minus 18. Yes, I agree.
The next one is minus 1 times positive 16 is minus 16. Do you agree?
Or minus 1 times positive 16. Okay. I agree. Yes. Oh, which
Now,
means this one I did it. Yes. Minus 1 times 16. Because me.
it's minus.
Okay. I get it. Yeah, it's minus 16.
Now we are going for the second entry in the first row. So this is going to be 3
Yes.
times minus 4. It's minus 12. And then minus 1 times 9. It's minus 9. Do we agree?
Yes, I agree.
Now we are going for the second row. It's 2 times minus 6. It's minus 12. 4
Yes.
times 6. What is it?
4 times 16.
4?
Is it 16, 32? 64, ne?
64. Yes.
So it's gonna be
Then-
plus 64.
Plus 64, yes. Then we have got 2 times minus 4 is minus 8.
Yes.
Plus 4 times 9. What is it? What is 9 times 4?
36.
30, positive 36. Do we agree?
Yes.
Mhm. Now, let's add you and I. Minus
All right,
18, minus 18, minus 16. What should I write?
Okay, let's see. 20. 36, ne? Negative 36.
Negative 36.
Yes.
Okay.
It's negative 34.
Oh, negative 34. Ma. Yeah,
Uh-uh.
negative 34.
18.
'Cause-
8 plus 6 is 4. So this is negative 34.
Yeah, negative 34 is.
Now, negative 12, negative 9. It's negative 21.
Negative 21 is.
Negative 12 plus 64. 64
Okay.
minus
Let's
12.
see. It's gonna be 50. Is it 52, ne?
Are you sure?
52, yes.
64 minus 52.
Yes.
And then negative 8 plus 36.
Okay, let's see. 28.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So that's what we should get. First row minus 34 minus 27. Second row 52 and 28.
Hello. Sir,
Hello.
sir, can I ask something?
Who's talking?
It's Kia.
Yes, Kia.
Yes. Okay, that's what I got. When I prove the right hand side, right? Are we supposed to get the same entries as the left hand side?
That is what we have to prove.
Yes. So
This
are
is
we
what
supposed?
this is what we got on the left hand side.
Yes. So when we go to the right hand side, are we supposed to get the same interest as the left hand side?
Kia. Okay, what we did is A open bracket BC. Do we agree, Kia?
Yes, I got the interest for that. It's fine. The answer for that, which is the same as yours.
Yes. Now we need to go to the right hand side and find AB. After that, we're bringing in C.
C. Yes.
What did you get for AB?
Oh, yes, I did. So my question, before I answer you, Sene, my question is, are we supposed to get our final answer? Should it be the same as the final answer for the left-hand side?
Kia, what is this question saying?
We must prove, right, sir?
We are not proving. Read here. Do you see my screen?
Yes. Verify the following matrices. Yes.
Verify.
Yes.
We are verifying or we are proving. So now this is only the left hand side. Now the next thing is to do the right hand side and tell me whether the left hand side equals to the right hand side.
Okay.
Yes,
I did get my final answer. So thing is the last row for my right hand side at different compared to the last row from the left hand side. So that's why I wanted to ask if is it supposed to be the same, just to see if I did something wrong or what.
What did you get on the right hand side?
I got first row negative 34, second negative 34 and negative 21. Then the second row is 40 and 20.
Okay, on the right hand side, AB multiplied by matrix C. You say you got minus 34, minus 21 in the first row. Second row, you've got 40 and 20.
Yes.
That's key. Okay, please talk to them.
Who else got something like what I got, guys?
Hello, Kia.
Hi.
It's
Exactly
like
with you on the last row.
The last row is?
the last one
On the
is supposed to be the same with the ones we got from the left-hand side.
Okay.
Yeah, double check your calculations on the last row.
I did. Okay, I'll double check again.
Or double check your matrices if you put the correct matrices when you were multiplying.
Okay, I'll check it out again. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome.
Let's check something here. Are we saying, are you, from where you are sitting, is the left-hand side equals to the right-hand side?
Yes, on my side, my left-hand
No,
side
sir.
is
Okay, I had a no. And then I had a yes.
a yes is coming from Tanda, so
It's Tando,
Okay,
sir.
hang on. Yes is coming from Tando, Nom Tandazo.
yes,
My-
my left
Mohammed.
equal to my right-hand side.
No Muhammad. Who else?
My
Marita.
Mine's also
Mike.
equal. Theo.
Theo,
Lerate is equal.
Lerato.
Busiso.
Eh?
It's Musiso Legato speaking for my side.
Are you sitting together?
No, sir. We actually communicate most of the time.
All right.
Well,
Who else has got a has got the same answer for the left-hand side and the right-hand side?
I did say Marita.
Marita, do you also agree with them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are looking for those.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Tando.
Okay, my left-hand side is not equal to my right-hand one. So my answer was the following matrices does not satisfy the stated properties of the theorem 1.41. That was my answer for.
So there seems to be an agreement to say the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side.
Kindly share the screen, Glenn.
Hallelujah. From
Sorry,
I thought I was
my
sharing.
network was bad. My network was bad. I'm okay now.
No, you're not sharing, sir.
I thought I was sharing.
Okay, now you
Oh.
are.
You are sharing now.
Now you are.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now there seems to be not a disagreement. There seems to be an agreement on 1B. Level. Is Level still here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, there is an agreement to say the left-hand side equals to the right-hand side for the associative law for matrix multiplication in number B. Now, let me go back to that theorem. For Spusiso, I think you said you already done with number C, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just give us a few minutes. Now we are going to look for the distributive law. We are going to verify whether the distributive law holds or not. Level, let me remind you again about the distributive law.
Sir.
You come to the theorem. Yes, someone is talking, I'm listening.
Yes, sir. Before we move on to this one, right, to the next one, can I just confirm the matrices for B, for the ones who got it as equals to the other one? Because I did. It's Kia.
Kia, yes, Kia. Oh, Kia, I'm sorry. Yeah, we got interrupted. We got cut, and then while I was switching the network, then I forgot about you because you have got different entries.
Yes.
In the second row.
In the second row.
Mm.
So for my second row, I don't know where did I go wrong, right? So my A and B, A multiplied by B for my second row, it's 0 plus 4 and 8 minus 16.
Hang on, Kia. What is your AB?
My AB, let me give the final matrix. I got it as -1, 10, and then 4 and -8. So what did everyone get?
Yeah. Please ask them about the AB.
Yes, guys, what did you get for
-8
AB?
is different.
Negative what?
-8 is supposed to be -12.
It's supposed to be -12.
Yes. Yeah.
So matrix A is so you're saying it's 2 multiplied by -4. Is that what you're saying? Because here it should be, from my side, it's 4 multiplied by -4. Hello, guys.
Kia.
Yes, I'm asking. They're saying where I got -8, it should be -4. That's what they're saying, right?
No, it's we got -8.
12. They're saying it's -12.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be 4 times
okay.
4.
Oh.
Yeah.
4 times 4 is. What was the mistake? Was like I did the same mistake.
Guys, okay, okay, sorry to take you back. But for the last row, let's say A and B, it's 2, it's 4, right? and then minus 16. That's what I got because it's 4 times a negative 4. So that's why I got it as a minus 16.
Kia, is it Kia who is speaking?
Yes.
Remember, you're supposed to for the last row, the last entry, ne? Yes.
Okay, I see my mistake.
Yes, you're
Okay,
supposed to
sorry. Thank you, sir. Instead of 4, I wrote an 8. So it's my mistake.
Gia, whoa, hang on, let them explain. Then you will talk late because we asked them to help you out.
Okay, so they can explain.
That is not a good way to end it.
Oh yes, sir. I'm sorry. I see now where they say where I wrote 8. I was supposed to write a 4. I don't know where did I get this, but I said 2 times 2 and I wrote it as an 8 instead of 4. So now I see my mistake. The 4 that they were talking about.
Please thank them.
Yes, thank you guys.
You're welcome.
They are not responding.
Okay, thank you.
Hello,
sorry, guys.
Yes, Tando.
Okay, sorry, my network was bad. So what was the conclusion for the answer for B?
For B?
Yes.
The final matrix, the first row is minus 34 and minus 27. Minus 20, that's minus 27, minus 21, eh? Minus 34 and minus 21 in the first row. The second row is 52 and 28.
I disagree, sir. I disagree because they are different. Before I cut, I said my answer was the following matrices does not satisfy the stated properties of theorem. I don't know where I went wrong, but the last two rows I got 2020 for the right hand side. I got 2020. It was negative 16 plus 36. Then the other one was negative 4 plus 24. So it was 2020. It was different from 52 and 28 on the left hand.
Okay, hang on, Tando. Are you saying A
does not satisfy? Yes.
Are you saying A multiplied by BC is not equals to AB times C?
Yes, sir. The difference is on the second rows.
Okay, what did you get as A times BC on the left-hand side? Let me take it from
on the left hand.
Slow. Yeah, on the left-hand side, what did you get?
I got negative 34.
Hang on.
Negative
34, yes.
Negative 21.
Negative 21.
Yes, first row. Then second row, I got 52 and 28.
52 and 28. On the right-hand side, what did you get?
I got negative 34 and negative 21. Then second row, I got 20, 20.
20, 20.
Yes.
Yo. All right. Okay, now let's start to help. In order for us to help you, please give us your AB, final matrix for AB on the right-hand side. What did you get?
I got negative 1.
AB. Okay, hang on. You got negative 1.
And 10.
And 10. Second row?
Negative 4, negative 12.
Negative 4, negative 12. Okay. Do we agree with Tando's matrix of AB, where in the first row it's minus 1 and second row minus 4 and 12?
No, sir.
Positive 4.
Positive 4.
And negative 12.
Positive
She
4.
interchanged. Yeah.
It's positive 4 and what?
Tando,
Negative
And
12.
negative 12.
Yes, it's positive
And
4 and
negative
negative 12.
Oh, so the error is on the negative 4 there.
Yes.
now let's come here. Number C. Level.
Yes, sir.
Number C, eh?
Number C.
Left. Yes. Left
Yeah.
distributive law.
Yes, sir. I was done, but I realized I've made a mistake on the left-hand side, so I'm still rectifying it. But we'll take a minute. Yes.
Sir, can you
Okay,
please take me back to the distributive law?
Sorry?
Can you please take me to the laws there? Or the distributive law, it's number D, ne?
I don't know which one, according to the question that we need to use now. But the question is clear in terms of which one to be used.
Left. Okay. Yeah, I got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now, left distributive law. Level, this is how you will just get it in an assignment or in the exam. Level, what did you get?
It's 14. It's 2 by 2 matrix.
2 by 2, yes.
Yes. Which is 14. On the first row it's 14 and 15, 0 and negative 18.
Please repeat.
It's 14 and 15, the first row. 0
Yes.
and negative 18. It's the second row.
Please talk to them.
Guys, do you agree?
I agree.
I agree.
Who agrees?
Tando.
Marita.
Yeah.
Mike.
Umaira. Umaira,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
Fine, thanks, and you, sir?
Don't hide, man. Don't be like snakes. You know snakes in winter hibernate. Eh?
I'm not hiding, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
So I would like to know where I got wrong, because me, I got 14, 15, 0, and 6 for the last entry. So the last
Who's
entry is the
talking?
one that's different. Oh, it's Bongani.
Bongani, your last entry, what is it?
It's 6. So I would like to know maybe where I was wrong there.
Who led us here? Level. 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 Level.
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Yes, stay here. Please help a brother here. Instead of negative 18, Bongani got positive 6. Please explain how you arrived at the negative 18.
Oh, okay, my brother. Who's my brother's name?
Is Bongani.
Bongani.
Okay, brother Bongani.
Yeah.
Did you first add B and C?
B and C. Okay. No, I started by saying A multiplied by B, plus A multiplied by C.
Hello, I'm saying, did you add B and C first? Mr. Bangani?
No, I didn't do it like that. Yes.
No, you didn't. Huh?
Yes. Yes.
No.
But it's only the last entry.
Okay, and then after that you got a matrix of positive 4, 3, and negative 2 and negative 6. Did you get that?
Which means I did A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C.
No, which one? The left hand side or the right hand side?
I started with the right hand side.
No, it said the left hand side, but you're supposed to get the right answer, even though you did the right hand side. Yes, but I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, so try to do left hand side.
All right. Let me check, because it's only one entry that is not the same.
Okay, sharp.
Level.
Yes, sir.
I hear you say, okay, sharp. Does Bongani know where to fix the mistake that he made?
Yes, he's supposed to start on the left hand side. So now I told him to do a left hand side so that we can see if he gets the correct answer.
Okay.
Sorry, Lebo. Sorry, sir. It's Mike speaking.
Yes, Mike.
I think even if you start from the left hand side or from the right hand side, you still get the same answer you're supposed to get on the left hand side or on the right hand side. So just I think there's a mistake on where he started on the right hand side. So I think we should correct him from where he started.
What is your view, Bongani?
Yes, yeah, you can correct me on what I have here. Who has done the right hand side?
Who was talking? Someone who was talking. Can you please take Bongani through step by step until he gets where he made a mistake so that he can fix his mistake before we continue?
Okay, no problem, sir. Bongani.
Yes.
So let's start from AB. Let's multiply AB first, then we multiply AC, then we add them. So if we multiply AB, what did you get when you multiplied AB?
I got -1.
Yes.
10 for the first row, and then 4 and 12.
34.
No, 4 and 12 for the second row.
You're supposed to get a negative. Okay, let's multiply together for the last entry.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to be -12, ne? Oh,
yes.
I see. Okay, I see mistake. Yeah, -12.
Yes.
Yes, that's why I got it wrong. Yeah, I found my mistake.
And for AC.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure now.
Okay. Thank you. Can we continue now, Bongani?
Yes, we can continue.
Okay, thank you. Now, can we now look at number D? Yes, what's your question level?
Do I have to do both sides?
Yes. Why
Thank you,
are you
sir.
asking? You only needed to do one side to calculate one side.
No, sir. I wanted to ask if I have to do. Yes, I did only left hand side. So, yeah, I will do
Lebo, then
another.
how will we conclude?
No, sir.
Lebo.
Yes, sir.
I mean, if you do one side, then how will we then conclude? Because you are just halfway.
Oh, yeah, I see now, sir.
Okay. All right. Those who are done, I noted Lerato, I noted Sbusiso. Who else?
Nomthandazo.
Tando Nomtandazo.
Mike.
Yes.
Maditaba.
Noma Matt. Who else?
Mike.
One at a time, please.
Maditaba.
Maritaba. Hey, Maritaba, are you hungry?
No, sir.
Are you sick?
No, sir.
Oh. I thought you were hungry. Then we were gonna organize food for you. I thought you were sick. We were gonna organize money to take you to the doctor.
I will. No, money for the food, not for the doctor. Just for the food only. That's
For the food?
Yes.
Are you hungry?
I can never say no to food, sir.
Huh?
Sir?
Maritaba,
Sir,
what are you saying?
I'm saying I can never say no to food, even though I'm not hungry.
Yeah, so you said you are not hungry. So let your voice show that you are not hungry. Okay. Now,
And I'm also done, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, can you share your
Yes,
screen
also.
for the question then?
Sorry?
Can you share the screen for the question though?
People, are you not able to see my screen?
No.
Yeah, sir.
We can see it.
Are you seeing my screen?
On my side.
Yes.
Okay, hang on.
I'm seeing the screen by the names.
Okay, people, are you able to see my screen? Yes or no?
No.
Yes.
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 Yes, we can.
See what on the screen, guys. The question or just the names?
You can go out and come back in. I think it's your network. We can see the questions.
Okay.
All right. Now,
Level's done now, sir. I'm done.
Level, you're done.
Yes.
Thank you. But now this time, let's go to Mike. Mike, what did you get, my brother? On the left hand side. Let's start with the left hand side. What did you get on the left hand side?
I got a 2x2 matrix.
Yes.
For the first row, the first entry is -12. Then the second entry is -3. Then for the second row, it's +9 and +6.
On the left hand side, ne?
Yes.
Now, please talk to them before I go to the right hand side.
Did anyone get the same left hand side as I did, guys?
Yes. I agree.
Yes. Agree.
Yes.
Okay, they seem to agree with you, Mike. Now, the right hand side. Oh, someone has got a question. Okay, hang on, Mike. Don't disappear, Mike. Stay on the line. Okay, let's hear the question.
When you say left-hand side, do you mean from us or from the book? Left hand side from
It
us or
means
from
from the book. From the book, Lerato.
from the
From the book.
Okay, then I agree.
Okay. Yeah, Lerato. Mike.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you have on the right hand side?
I have -12 for the first row. It's a 2 by 2.
Mm-hmm.
I have for the first row, first entry, I have -12. Second entry,
Mhm.
I have -3. Then for the second row, the first entry, I have +9. And the second entry, I have +6.
Thank you. Please talk to them.
Do you agree, guys?
Yes.
Yes, agree.
Yes.
Yes, we
Yes, I
agree.
agree.
What's the size?
It's a 2 by 2 matrix.
With this one, we agree.
Thank you. Who's talking? Who said? Who was the last person to say with this one we agree?
Yeah, it's Bongan. We agree here.
Bongan.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now, please don't get bored. Please stay with me. Please don't get bored. Now, let's look at number 2. When we get to number 2, what we'll look at number A. After A, we'll look at number B, and then finally we'll look at number C. But let's start by working out 2A. Those in the very same. Sorry.
This is yo. Luna, let's fast.
I'm done, says well.
We are bored, so we must hurry up.
Okay, Marita. What did you get, my sister?
For the first row, I got -24.
What is this? Hang on, Marita. What is the size of the matrix?
Oh, the size of the matrix is 2 by 2.
Okay. What are the entries?
Then the first row, I got -24, -16,
Negative
24,
-24,
and -16.
-24, -16, yes.
And the second row, I got 64 and 36.
64 and 36.
Yeah.
Please talk to them, Marita.
Guys, do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
On my side, I do.
No, Mohammed, do you agree or disagree?
I agree, so I agree.
Nom Tandazo,
Yes, I agree.
you agree?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Marita. Now, let's look at number 2B. 2B.
Lerato.
Lerato.
Nomthandazo.
Nomthandazo.
No. Tell us. We over 40 minutes ago. How many minutes do you give us to finish?
How many minutes do you need, Level, to finish?
At least 3 minutes per question.
Sbusiso, sir.
Sbusiso. Abdul, Mr. Abdul, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you, Menier.
Good. Level. Okay. Level. That means already a minute has gone past. Ne? A minute has gone past already.
Okay.
Now you are left with 1.5. Nomthandazo.
Sir,
Yes. What did you get, my sister?
I got negative 15. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. On the first row
Thank you.
is negative 15 and positive 5. Then on the second row is positive 4 and negative 6.
Please talk to them.
It's up, guys.
Disagree.
Mine is different.
Disagree also.
Mine is
I
also
also
different.
It means I made a mistake.
You made a mistake where?
We don't know.
I'm going for
Okay.
Column.
Oh, okay. Hang on. Nomthandazo.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nomthandazo got the following entries. In the first row, minus 15 and 5. In the second row, 4 and minus 6. Now, let's see where you differ with Nomthandazo. Do you agree with the minus 15 in the first row?
No.
No.
Yes.
Or you disagree?
No.
Okay. Oh, okay, hang on. Do you disagree with the negative 15 in the first row?
Yes, we disagree.
Okay, thank you. Do you also disagree with the 5 in the first row?
No. I agree.
Positive 5.
We agree with it. I agree. Positive 5.
You
Yes,
agree with the positive
agree.
5?
I
Yes.
disagree.
There is an agreement and a disagreement on the positive 5 in the first row, which is the second entry. Okay, now let's do this. How many are agreeing with the positive 5?
I agree.
Tando agrees.
Theo agrees. I agree. So,
Yeah.
Lerato, you disagree with the positive 5?
It's negative 5.
Negative 5.
Yes.
Who else says it should be negative 5?
Spusiso believes it's a positive 5.
Theo believes it's a positive 5.
Who else? Manitaba, what do you say? Abdul. Is it positive or negative?
I agree with the 5, but I disagree with the negative 15.
Yes, there we disagree. Almost everybody disagrees with the negative 15. But my question is, do you agree with the positive 5?
Yes, I agree with the positive 5.
Okay, so can we move, Lerato?
Sir.
Yes, how you say you got negative 5?
No, I want to try something. My friends, they like doing half jobs. I know them. They like to cut the question in half.
Okay.
Can they give me? You will see what will happen here. The matrix of AC only AC. Only AC.
Okay.
Only AC.
Okay, Spusiso would like to give.
On AC, I got 15 and 5 on the first row. On the second row, I got minus 4 and minus 6.
This train, this flight will kill all of us. And
Okay,
remember this thing, when it comes down, no one will survive. So we don't want this thing to crash.
Sorry.
Okay, Nomthandazo, A. Okay, let's say AB. What did you get for AB?
On AB, I got a 2 by 2 matrix, which is on the first row is -1 and +10. Then
Okay. Second
on
row.
the second row is +4 and +12.
Okay. Then now another one is AC. AC. What is your AC?
On AC is a 2 by 2 matrix again. On first row I got +15 and +5. Then on second row I got -4 and -6.
I said the 5 is positive.
Positive what, Mike?
Welcome to the team, Lerato.
Now, yeah, hang on, Lerato. My sister, you said AB entries in the first row are -1 and +10. That's what you said, ne?
Yes, sir.
Second row, +4 and +12. Okay?
Yes.
Now, who agrees with AB that the entries for AB that Nomtandazo just gave us?
Lerato.
I agree with Nomtandazo except for the +12. That 12 is supposed to be negative. So for the first row, -1 and 10 is correct. The second row, the 4, I agree with, but the +12, I disagree. For me, I got a -12.
I also got a -12.
Yeah, it's a -12.
Yes, I also got a -12. I've rectified my mistake.
Is that Nomtandazo?
Yes, I saw where I've made a mistake.
Okay. Now, we rectified that mistake. I also rectified it from my side on your behalf. Now, thank you guys for verifying that. Now, let's go to AC that Nomtandazo gave us. In the first row, the entries are 15 and 5. In the second row, -4 and -6. Do you agree with the entries for matrix AC?
No.
Agree.
Yes, sir. I agree.
Do you all agree with AC?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, Busiso. Do you agree with 15 in the first row?
Yes, 15 and 5, sir, I agree.
You agree?
Yes.
Then now let's come to the second row.
My
First
second-
entry is 4.
My first entry is -6.
Your first entry is -6. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Your second entry
Is 1.
is 1. Huh. Okay. People, we are sitting with 2 matrices for AC here. 15, 5, and -6 and 1. Then Nomtandazo has got, in the second row, she has got -4 and -6. We can't have 2. We should have 1. Which
So,
one?
I got -4 and -6 on the last row.
On AC.
Yes.
Yes, I got -4 and -6. So it's 15 and 5, -4 and -6.
That's also what I got, sir.
Spusis.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let's help
Yes,
us.
Busi.
Let's help us, Spusis, here. We are not saying what you found is not what you were supposed to find. Now let's try to help out each other here. Those who ended up getting
Okay,
-4.
sir, I see my mistake. No, I see my mistake, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please
Very
tell us where you made a mistake.
On my matrix A, where there's 2, I wrote -3. That's my mistake, sir.
You wrote, where there is 2 in matrix A, you wrote -3.
-3. Yes, sir.
Is that the only error?
Yes.
Are you sure that after rectifying that, then
Yeah, everything is
will
fine.
fall into
Yeah.
places?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Say, Bongani here. So
Yes,
my
my brother.
final answer balance. The left hand side and the right hand side they balance. So my final
So-
answer is a 2 by 2 matrix. Yes.
Mhm.
So I have negative 16 and 5 for the first row. For the second
Mhm.
row, I have 8 and negative 6. I would like to know if the colleagues agree.
Yeah, I also got that. I've just rectified my mistake now.
Agree,
Agreed as
agree. The
well.
colleagues, they agree. Yeah, they agree, the colleagues, they agree.
Oh, these colleagues agree. Bongani.
Yes, sir.
Bongani. Yeah, these colleagues,
Yes.
they agree. They agree, these
Ah,
colleagues.
they agree.
Yes.
We are getting.
Yes, we are. What is important is that we are getting somewhere. I'm also happy. We are getting somewhere.
Yes, the train is moving.
Yes. Now, thank you all for attempting that 2B. Now, the last one that we are doing here in number 2 is C.
Say,
hello, Larajo.
What's the final answer for 2B?
2B minus
Is it-
16. Okay, Tando, say it.
It's a 2 by 2 matrix. On the first row is minus 16 and positive 5. Then on the second row is positive 8 and negative 6.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay.
I'm agree or we are done and we agree with that matrix. So we are balance negative 16, 5, 8, and negative 6 in balance on the other side. That's what I'm agreeing.
Oh, okay, thank you. Yes, we agree on that one. Now we are working on 2C.
Yeah, now I'm done. I agree.
Tando.
Hello, sir.
Yes, 2C. What did you get?
A 2 by 2 matrix.
Mm-hmm.
Then first row is 18 and 8.
First row is
18 and 8.
First row is 18 and 8.
Yes.
Second row?
I got negative 18 and negative 22.
Please talk to them.
Hello, colleagues. Hope we agree.
I agree.
I agree.
Yes, I agree.
So there was a disagreement.
There is, is there a disagreement?
From someone, not me.
It's me. It's late because on the second row I got 8 and negative 23.
You got what?
Positive 8 and negative 23 on the second row, which is different from the one of other person.
Okay, hang on. Level. Your first row, what are the entries for your first row?
8, positive 18. Positive 18 and positive 8.
Hang on. Tando, did you say you got 8 and positive 18, or is it positive 8 and positive 18?
First
Tando?
row, sir, I said positive 18 and 8. Then
Positive 18 and 8. Okay.
yes,
okay.
and positive 8. Then the second row is negative 18 and negative 22.
Okay. Thank you. Lebo, please come in with your entries for your matrix.
No, sir, I'm saying my second row is different from others, which is positive 8 and negative 23.
Please explain to us how you got to these numbers, so that we can be able to know where and how to help out. All right. What is your BA level?
Okay, so my BA is positive 4, which is 2 by 2 is positive 4, 8, and negative 5, and negative 18.
Please ask them whether they agree with you or not.
Guys,
on BA.
You agree? BA.
Agree. Instead of negative 18.
Disagree,
negative
disagree,
17.
disagree with the last entry.
What should it be? Oh, okay, Abdul.
So now I got negative 17 with the last entry, not negative 18.
Okay. Do you agree with the entries in the first row as well as the first entry in the second row, which is -5? Do you agree with 4, 8, -5? You only disagree
Yes.
with negative 18.
Yes, I agree with 4, 8, and -5, and I disagree with negative 18.
Instead of negative 18, what did you get?
I got negative 17.
Level?
Yes, sir.
Please defend the negative 18 that you got. When I say defend your negative 18, I'm just saying, please explain to us how you got the negative 18.
Okay, I said BA, which is a matrix of V0, 2, positive 1, negative 4. And then the matrix of A is positive 3, negative 1, positive 2, positive 4. And then I multiply both of them, which is 0 multiplied by 3 is 0, plus 2 multiplied by negative 1. No, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. And then and then 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. And then negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Am I correct, guys? Or I'm still doing it wrong?
Lebu, so what you are saying is correct. 1 times 3 is 3. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. So 3 plus negative 8 is negative 5.
Yes.
When now it's a negative 8.
Negative is Mamela. 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is negative 5.
Yes.
Which is my matrix of BA. I get 3 minus 5. Kitlo thola A12. Not A12. Positioning ya A21. Negative 5.
Sharp, and then go to a negative 18. And negative 18, where is it coming from?
Oh, negative 18. It's 1 multiplied by negative 1. Yo, yeah, Jabona, 1 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 2. It was negative 2 now.
So that's where your fault is.
Yeah, and then negative 4 times 4, yamfa negative 16. So my mistake is when I'm multiplying +1 the -1, correct -2.
Exactly. Uskok, we told the problem.
Yeah, no, go tlo feel ntho tse nyane mara. Yeah.
I'm happy that you are able to notice them now.
Yeah,
And
mara
then-
nna I blame the time. I blame the time.
You blame the timer.
Yes, because while we
Which
are
time?
still busy doing the question, some others they give answers, and then after seconds or minutes, you say you are discussing the answer. So now for Nike, try out to finish fast. So that's like it's a silly mistakes. So
Help me out. How do I help you, Lem?
and I'm calculating with my hands and feet.
That's good. That's
Fingers
also how I'm
of
calculating.
feet. Yeah. So it's taking so long.
You must also ask your kids there for their fingers. But in that process, you need to keep up the pace with us.
Okay, so you recommend each question we're supposed to finish by how many minutes?
No, it depends on the complexity. I can't say 1 minute or 2 minutes or 10 minutes. It depends on the complexity of the question.
Okay, sir.
We can't spend 5 minutes on something that can be done in less than a minute level.
You see, now we are discussing what when I say, and while we are discussing, some other people are doing number 4. No, I'm telling you.
No.
You are still discussing and working.
She's right, sir. She's right. Other people are doing number 4.
Oh yes, we must do number 4 now.
and I'm on number 3B.
Yeah. Then yeah.
I'm saying.
Then
hello.
Yeah, then bias. Yeah, I think we must introduce element of surprise. Don't go A, B, C, D. Go A, F, G. Because
yes,
now
yes.
No.
Go to number 5.
These questions. Like you calculate AP here and use it. 3 questions later, just paste AP.
Yes.
That's
yeah,
it.
or they must share they must share how they do it quick as well.
We paste from other questions.
Yeah, serious. You must pay. How do you do this question like in 2 seconds?
Hello, Lebo.
While you are using your hands to calculate, not calculator.
And your kids' hands.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm asking guys, okay, how do you do the question so fast in 2 seconds? And you are using your fingers, not calculator.
Mamela, I recommend you use a calculator. That's why it was invented. Make your job easier. To sky counting with your fingers and your toes. Use a calculator. It's less stress. Or punch out and let the machine do the job. To sky stress and fit.
I think why he's doing these classes, it is because he wants us to practice. And we want us to practice how to calculate more faster by using hands, which is fingers.
Okay.
Not calculator.
So invented for a reason. The calculators were invented for a reason. To now say take advantage of them and use the calculator.
No.
I disagree.
I disagree also.
Position disagrees also. You're not allowed to use the calculator by any means.
Glen's suggestion was okay. I can rather use the kids' fingers and the gogo fingers, not calculator.
No calculator. Like ish. We're on a table of multiplication. Yeah, from 1 times 1 to 15. Why say back here? 1 times 1, 1 times 2. 15 times 3 must be from the head, same time.
Exactly.
So guys, your answer for C, did it balance the left hand side and the right hand side?
It always balances, like on this exercise.
You should always
but
balance.
because me, I got different answers now. But
Yes,
balancing.
it balances.
Calculation. Check some.
Are you done with 2D?
Yeah, because on C it's balancing, but then the answers you have and the ones I have, they differ on the second one, on the second part.
What do you have on the second one?
Because me, I'm having 18 and 8, minus 18 and minus 22. That's what
we
I'm
also
having.
have
Yeah?
We also have that,
All of us.
I guess.
Oh, then we are fine. Because I had of minus 17.
He fixed his mistake. On 2D, what do we have, guys?
Okay, sharp.
2D, I have negative 112.
Hello.
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 What's the answer for B for number C? I just
Which answer are we talking about now?
what are the answers for number C? Like I just drawing like what are the answers for number C? B plus C and
On 2C, Bongani said we have
sorry. Hello.
Wangani said we have positive 18, positive 8, negative 18, and negative 22.
I've got like a negative 10 and negative 6. Sorry, are we still on C, ne?
Yes, we are still on C, gents.
Right.
And ladies.
I just recently joined and then so I got like a 18 and then 8 and then negative 10 and 6 and then is that the correct answer or is there somewhere I did something wrong?
I disagree with your second row. Now I got negative 18 and negative 22. But can you please double check? Because with my first try, I also got the same entries, that minus 10 and 10. So just can you double check there? I think there's a problem somewhere there. So if you are to just work it out correctly, you will get negative 18 and negative 22 on that. I don't know what other colleagues think, but guys, feel free to also share.
Okay. Are we using the matrix like A, 3, negative 1, 2, 4, B, 0, 2, 1, negative 4, C, 4, and 1, negative 3, and negative 2?
If I'm hearing you correctly, are you talking about the given matrices?
Hello, guys.
Yeah, I just.
He's trying to reconnect. Please be patient.
Like, where are you? Like, are you using the matrix A, 3, negative 1, 2, and 4? B, 0, 2, 1, and negative 4, and C, 4, 1, negative 3, and 2.
Yes, that is the matrices that we are working with.
Okay. Let me check when the time.
Hello, I'm here.
Yeah, talk to us. What did you get?
On C, I got the same answer as you guys. First row, 18, 8. Second row, negative 18, negative 22.
Right, talk to them, Maritaba.
For BA, what is your matrix? Who am I supposed to talk to?
Lerato, what is your BA?
My BA. Hello, my BA is 4 and 8, and the -5 and the -17.
Yeah, you're correct. And then
Yes, that's correct. That's what we have.
Agree.
That's BA. That's BA.
Then
All right. So are you answered Madidaba in terms of BA?
And then my CA. What is CA? Oh,
Yes.
CA,
What is your CA?
Yeah, CA 4, 8. I said BA is 4, ne? And then 8, and then -5 and -17.
Yes, the colleagues they agreed on your BA. So I thought you were talking about your CA now.
Yeah, I want to check it because we are just writing here, writing.
Okay. Lerato, what is your CA?
CA is 3, -1, 2, and 4.
Can you please double check?
It's 3.
We don't agree.
3, -1, 2, 4.
I also disagree with you on that. Can you please double check your CA? Lerato, what is your CA? Yes, Tando, what is your CA?
Oh, my CA, I got 10, 0, then -13, -5.
Okay, Tando, I
I
agree with
disagree
you.
with Satan.
I disagree with your first entry, Tando. So instead of -10, I got 14.
No,
Yes,
you
that's
are
what I
saying
was.
CA. You are saying CA, ne?
Yes, CA. What is your first entry?
Not of the final one. The first entry I got 12 -2. I said 10.
You got 10 and 0 for your first row.
Yes, then -18, but it doesn't balance with that 10. So I don't know where I went wrong, or is it like that? Because that's the only thing that is not balancing up my left hand and my right side. Because when I add now my BA and CA on the first one, I get 14 on the first.
So I agree with your second row in terms of -13 and -5, but your 10 and 0, I think your first entry, there's a problem there. Can you just double check? Because I got 14 instead of 10.
Yeah, I also got 14, 0, -13, and 5.
So did you add?
Please double check. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
CA.
Today I'm tired. Yeah, instead of adding, I subtracted. I agree with you. I said -2.
You're tired.
Yeah, so
Today I'm
CA, I
so
got
tired. Many assignments.
You're tired.
Sorry, CA, I got 14, 0, -5, and 9.
Yeah, I disagree with your second row in terms of that. The current speaker, whoever who is their matrix, I disagree with your -9 and 5.
I said -5 and 9.
Hello, guys.
I said 14 and 0.
Does it balance?
Okay, hold on. We have a new different second row now. So with me, Tando, I was agreeing with your second row in terms of -13 and -5. But there's a new one which is -9 and 5, which I disagree with. I don't know about the other colleagues. Guys, feel free to come in on this one.
I also disagree.
But you're disagreeing and then you are not helping, like where is the mistake and then what's the point?
No, we can multiply entry by entry if that's okay, guys.
No, okay. The matrix that we are working on is 4, 1, -3, 2. Maybe I'm using the wrong because I just joined recently. And
4,
then
1,
the other one.
-3, -2.
Yeah, 3, -1, 2, and 4.
Yes.
That's CA. That's CA.
Yes. So let's multiply entry by entry.
And then 4. 4.
Remember your order also. It's CA, meaning your matrix C must come first. You'll take first row matrix C and first column of matrix A. The order matters in this one. So can you also confirm?
C. Yeah, C is matrix 4, 1, negative 3, 2.
Negative 2 as
That's
well.
C.
Negative 3,
And
negative
then
2 on
A.
the second row.
It's negative 2.
Yes, look at C.
Yes.
It's negative
It's
3,
not 2.
negative 2.
It's not 4. It's not 4, 1, negative 3, 2.
No, it's 4.
No, negative
2. Negative 2 as well.
Yeah.
It's negative 2 or a second row. Second row. Is
Yes,
it negative 3, 2 or negative 3 and negative 2?
It's negative
Yes,
3
it's
and
negative 3 and negative 2.
Oh, okay. Which means like
Yeah, mine is balancing up now because I got the same answer as my left hand.
So do we all agree on 14 for CA? First row, 14 and 0. Second row, negative 13 and negative
still
5.
working on it.
Yes.
I'm still working on
Yeah.
it.
Yes, we
Well, I was using that.
Okay, can we give our colleagues maybe 5 more minutes to work on it so that we all confirm and we agree on CA?
Yeah, let's wait for the one who got the who had the negative.
And that's negative. That's negative 13. Yes, it's fine. And then I'm checking. I'm correcting the other one. That one which I said 9. So negative 13 is fine. And then I got it. It was like that way of the fine. And then 3 plus negative 8. Yeah, negative 5. 13 and negative 5. 14C, and then CA is 14, 0, 13, negative 5.
Negative 13, negative 5.
Yeah, negative 13, negative 5. Yeah. The problem was that negative 2, which means like also on the other side, like where I said 18 and 8, negative 10 and negative 6, and then I'll check the sign of that negative 2 that was rectified.
So you'll have to fix that as well, looking at the fact that negative C is now what you got it to be.
I will check it. I will check it alone. That later on, because like now, I think I will waste this time because I was having a wrong matrix which was like a 2, and then now it was corrected as negative 2, and then so I have to come back this side, and then but I'm fine. So I'm on the other side. I'm fine. I'll check the left hand side. I'll check it. No worries. Thanks, guys.
So do we all agree, colleagues, on CA being first row 14 and 0, second row negative 13 and negative 5?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry guys.
Yes, we agree.
I don't know who was speaking. Who got the second row wrong? I think if we try to help each other here, not do it on the side, I think it would help him to see where he's getting it wrong. Not for him to go and make it up on his own.
I just joined recently, and then I was just listening, and then I just copied whatever like I was like. So that's why I try to confirm whether like is this what you are working on. That's why somehow I did copy that own thing because I was just doing things in a haste.
So, okay, just a quick refresher course, guys, for some of us maybe who might be maybe forgotten or you don't have an idea. Remember when we multiply matrices, the order matters. So if they say CA, then it means matrix C, first row. You're going to multiply first row with first column of A. That's how we deal with it. So in this case, we have CA. It means we'll look at matrix C, we take first row, which is 4 and 1. And then when we multiply it with matrix A, we're going to multiply with the first column. When we look at matrix A, our first column is 3 and 2. So when we work out that, it's going to be 4 times 3 plus 2 times negative 6. 4 times 3 is going to give us 12. And then 2 times negative 3 is going to give us negative 6. 12 plus negative 6 gives us 6. So that's the order in which we'll be working when it comes to multiplying matrices. Just a refresher course. If someone is also not understanding or might be confusing any one of you guys, feel free to like really just speak up now so that we know how to go about multiplying matrices. But as it stands, majority of our colleagues are agreeing on CA being 14, 0 for the first row, and then the second row is going to be negative 13 and negative 5.
And then yeah, to go back, and then BA you said it's 18 and 8, and then what are the other?
BA for the matrix BA, we agreed on 4 and 8 for the first row, and then for the second row is negative 5 and negative 17.
BA,
yes. It's 4 and negative 8. I mean 4 and 8 for the first row, and then the second row is negative 5 and negative 17.
4, 8, BA, yeah. 4, 8, negative 5, 17, yeah. Correct, yeah. Okay.
And then DA, we just agreed on it being 14 and 0 for the first row, and then for the second row is negative 13 and negative 5.
Okay. And then for the left hand side, and then you said like still starting here, I've got like the 88 and then negative 10, negative 6, and then on the left hand side, are they the correct answers?
So let's look at these. Let's look at these matrices before. I want us to add together on them. You agree on BA being 4, 8 minus 5 minus 17. You agree?
BA, yes, I do agree. That's correct. I got it. And then also CA is correct, but I've not yet added them. But I just put them
so
aside.
Now let's add. Now we are adding now. So look at BA first entry.
18.
BA first entry is 4, right?
BA.
Yeah, BA the first entry is 4.
Plus 14.
BA the first entry I got 4.
Is 4. Correct. And then go to your CA. CA, what is your first entry?
CA. Oh.
Yeah.
No, that's like I already added them. Like the first entry is gonna be 18.
Yes. So 4 plus 14 is 18. We agree on that, right?
Yeah.
Sharp. And then we go on to our second entry first row, which is 8.
Yeah, correct.
For BA. And then for CA is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. We agree.
Yeah.
Fine. And then we are moving on to second row first entry, which is negative 5 for BA. And then second row first entry for CA, which is negative 13. Negative 5 plus negative 13 is negative 18. Do we agree?
Okay, sure. Sure.
Fine. Then we move on to our second entry, second row, which is negative 17 for BA. And then second row, second entry for CA is negative 5. Negative 17 plus negative 5 is negative 22. Do we agree?
Yeah. Sure.
Yes.
Okay.
So our matrix for BA plus CA should give us, for the first row is 18 and 8. Second row is negative 18 and negative 22. Do we all agree?
That's correct. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
And then I on the left hand side got like a B plus C, B plus C. What was the entry? B plus C.
It's the same.
So if we are going to the left hand side, B plus C, the entries. First row we will have 4 and 3. And then second row is negative 2 and negative 6. Do we all agree? B plus C.
Negative what?
Yeah, we agree.
So first row.
We said we are adding 8. It's 8 B plus C.
Yeah, B plus C. I repeat, first row.
Yeah,
first
B,
entry is
we are
4.
adding, yeah, B plus C, and then the first entry is gonna be 4, yes?
Yes, and then the second entry for first row is 3.
Yeah, 3, 2 plus 1 is 3.
Sharp.
And
And then we go to the second row now. First entry is negative 2.
Negative 2, yeah.
And then the second entry for second row is negative 6.
Negative, oh, okay, that's where I was having a mistake. With that 2, you rectified with that, which was negative 2. Negative 3 and negative 2, ne? Not
So what you are
2, not
supposed to,
negative 3 and 2, ne?
yes, it's supposed to be negative
It was
4
like
and negative 2.
Negative 3, I mean the second row of C. It was supposed,
Yes.
it's supposed to be negative 3 and negative 2, ne?
Yes.
Second, yes,
Okay.
but now when you are adding, remember it's B plus C.
Yeah, it's gonna be negative. Yeah.
Second entry for second row is negative 4, and then second entry for C is negative 2. So negative 4 plus negative 2 is negative 6.
That's correct.
So for us to agree once again, B plus C must give us a matrix of 4, first row 4 and 3, second row negative 2 and negative 6.
Yeah.
4, 3.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we agree.
Okay, fine.
And we are multiplying it with A, ne?
Yes. Now remember the order also matters. The order matters. So B plus C multiplied by A.
And 2, 4, ne?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So it's 4 times 3, ne?
So we are moving to B plus C times A. Is that where we are?
Which the entries are 4, 3, the entries are 4, 3,
So I'm getting a background, and I'm not sure if you're asking about matrix B plus C or the matrix B plus C times A.
I'm saying, yeah, B plus C times A.
So B plus C times A, for me, what I got,
This is gonna be like
second row is negative 18 and negative 2. Do you guys
No,
agree?
I don't hear anything. Can somebody please mute?
So, colleagues, do let me know if you guys got a different matrix. But for me, my matrix in terms of B plus C times A.
Can someone who's
Lorato.
Is it Lado?
Yeah, Lorato.
Are you sure he's in? Okay.
It's
Okay,
not
please
me.
go continue. Oh, okay. Mr.
Yes,
Abdul, please
colleagues.
continue.
Yes, colleagues, thank you very much for bearing with us. We would like to welcome Dr. Glenn back onto the ship. Welcome, Dr. Glenn. Thank you very much for joining us once again. Sir, the floor is yours. You may continue.
Thank you. Please continue. No.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. All right, Dr.
Please
Glenn,
continue,
thanks for joining us once again. Okay, fine.
Thank you. Thank you.
We were busy B plus C times A. And we were discussing that for me, what I was putting onto the floor is that after calculating B plus C times A, my matrix was a 2 by 2, and my entries were for the first row is 18 and 8, and then for the second row is negative 18 and negative 22. So I would like to also put it across and find out if my colleagues agree before we can continue or moving forward. Do you guys agree with my matrix or not?
I agree.
Yes, I agree.
Agree.
Yeah, that's correct. Like we are fine.
How far are we, guys? I had no network.
Thanks for joining us also. We are very far, but not too far. Don't worry.
And we are still like on number.
How far are you guys?
2C. We are still on 2C.
2C. 2C.
2C.
Yeah.
Yes, please
So-
continue, Abdul.
Okay, so majority of the colleagues agree. Then I'm assuming that all of us, since there's no one who's disagreeing with the matrix, I'm assuming that we all agree that B plus C times A gives us first row 18 and 8, second row negative 18 and negative 22. Therefore, according to what we have proved also on the right-hand side, the two matrices are equal. So that law does stand, that B plus C in brackets times A equals to BA plus BC, the distributive law.
Let me thank you again, Abdul. Let me thank you for steering this ship, and then even all of you for participating. I like the spirit of helping out each other. We need to continue with that. As I constantly say to you, this is a platform where we all come to learn. And then I was also touched when someone, I think it was Vincent, when he didn't understand something, then said, no, you will go and do it during his spare time. Then someone insisted to say, no, we work it out here. I like that. That shows that no, we are all together, and then we are all prepared to learn together, to move together without leaving anyone behind. I like that spirit. Please keep it up.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
So are we all happy? Are we all happy with number 2C?
Yes.
Yes,
we are.
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir. Okay. Now, taking into account what happened, the network, whatever, the most important thing is to keep our chins up. Our chins up in terms of looking forward to what we are here for. We are here to learn. Let's continue to help out each other. Let's be patient with one another. Lebo, I did take note of your concern. Then we'll try to accommodate everybody. We'll try to give each and everyone a reasonable amount of time. But then here is my request when it comes to that. When we request each other to work on a particular exercise, let's say for 2 minutes, then let's all then work on it, because I will also try to be as reasonable as I can. At the same time, I don't want to waste your time. I also just don't want to move for the sake of having moved without you having understood. That's not how I operate. My request is that when we say 2 or 3 minutes to work on this, please, let's work on it to avoid the to and fro. Even if there is a to and fro, it is good as long as we are together. Unlike me saying, please give me 2 minutes, then I go to the kitchen, I go to cook. You see? After cooking, then I come back. They say, I don't understand. Are we together on that one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Vincent, yes.
Yes. If we can just be reasonable with each other, then I don't see any problem.
Yeah. To answer, sorry for disturbing. Is there something I messed out like before, and then which you have done? Apart from this, I know I came very late. I really apologize.
Vincent, we do accept. We understand. We can't always be punctual. There are reasons that are beyond our control. And then we don't even mind bringing you up to anyone up to speed in terms of how far we have moved. Okay. The most important thing, that's why I'm saying, please engage with us. You know, it is very much disappointing. I'm lacking better ways to explain, to say one joining in a session, but then almost at the end, or not even at the end, but when almost everyone has got an answer, then someone will just say, I don't understand. But if you participate, it is reasonable. Vincent, you said, is there anything that out?
Yeah, I said, yeah, I missed the boat. And then there's something else that you've done before. And then apart from this.
When did you join? Did you join while we were working on 2C?
2C, yeah.
Okay. This is what we covered. We looked at number 1A, B. Were you here yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday I was here, yeah.
Okay.
Number 1, associative law, matrix addition.
We did 1A, B, C, and D.
Actually, you covered all the laws. Associative law, addition, then D, distributive. The D is the same like that we were doing right now.
But except that there are constants there.
Yeah.
And then 2, we looked at A, B, and C. That's it. That's all that we covered today.
Can anyone elaborate number B?
Which one? 2B?
1. You said 1B. Is it 2B? 1B.
Okay, we covered 1A, B, C, and D.
Yeah. Can someone like maybe make it to me for me to understand number B, like multiplication, associative law of matrix multiplication, the associative law of matrix for matrix multiplication. Yeah.
Okay, let me start here before anyone can come in, Vincent. Let's go to these laws. Let's go to theorem 1.4.1. Because that is what has to be applied. Okay, this is theorem 1.4.1 that is being referred to. So what is amongst all these A up to M? That question is referring to the application of this. Do you see what I've highlighted?
Yeah.
Yes. So it's the application of number C, meaning we take matrix A. Inside the bracket, we first multiply matrix B by matrix C. Okay. After getting the answer, then we put matrix A in front. Then we multiply the final matrix of BC with A. Okay?
Okay.
After that, we go to the right-hand side. Inside the bracket, we see that we need to multiply the two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. Okay? Vincent?
Yes, I'm still listening.
After getting the final matrix AB, we take that AB, that matrix, we multiply it by matrix C.
Okay.
That was done. Yes, Vincent, talk.
Okay. Let's say this matrix is like ABC. It's like, let's say, I'm just giving an example. Let me say matrix A is 2, and then B is 3, and then C, let me say it's 4. Yeah, all like one row, one column. So it means like looking at the example, it's like 2 into like 3 times 4, and then will be equals to like 3 into 4 times 2. Is that what you're saying?
Hang on, Vincent. I'm not alone here. I've got an army. Got an army. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Are we still here?
Yeah, we are still here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Please pay attention. Vincent, please raise your question so that you can be helped.
Okay, the army, I was like asking about the associative law for matrix multiplication, and then I gave an example. I said, like, okay, let me just take for an example. If A, matrix A, B, and C, let's say A is 2, and then B is 3, and then C is 4. Then it's like I'm taking like A, which is 2, and then I put it upside 2 times, and then 3, which is B, and then 4, and then on the other side, and then I take like, let's say for an example, I take matrix B out, and then which is 3, and then I multiply by 2. I'm gonna get the same answer. It's like that. If A and B, if A, B, and C is like one row, one column, 1 by 1 matrix. Oh, I know. You can pass that.
You will get the same answer.
All right. No. Yeah,
you start in bracket, then you multiply. You end up with a 1 outside. Like for example, with A brackets B and C, you will multiply matrix B and C. Then after finding the answer for that matrix B and C, then you will multiply it by matrix A.
In simpler term, and then you are in simpler term, and then you are saying in simpler term, you are saying board math. Am I wrong?
Yeah, you're right.
It's like you start with brackets and then you follow up again.
All right. No. Yeah, my crew, our crew. Thanks,
Is it clear, Vincent?
Yeah, thanks,
Is it
Dr.
Vincent?
Glenn. Yeah, it's Vincent, yes. Thanks,
Are you
Dr.
answered?
Yeah, clear, loud and clear, and smiling.
Okay, thank you, brother. And let me thank my army. I'm part of this army. So we are at war here, at war of learning.
Yeah.
Yes.
I like this war.
So, yeah, this army is a special one.
Yeah.
It is fighting another war, a war of learning. Can we, if we are all happy, can we end our session here? Yes, Mike.
So there was I think that's when you lost your network. There was a question which was raised. I don't think there was a proper answer to that, or there was a proper answer to that. But there was the thing of using calculators whilst working our maths. So I don't know if it's allowed in exams or if it's not allowed. It was spoken before. I think that's when you lost your network.
Okay. According to the little knowledge that I have, calculators are not allowed in the exam unless someone has any other knowledge that is contrary to what I just said.
No, sir.
Yes, Lerato.
On the study guide, there's a section there below called Examination and Plagiarism. It's written in big, bold black letters, underlined in red. In this module, we do not use the calculator.
Thank you, my brother. Mike, have you been answered?
Yes, I've been answered, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Same time, same place next week, Monday. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep well, take care, and stay safe.